Now that we have the checkout header DTO, we need to convert that to order header and order detail and push things to our database. For that, we will require the order repository. So let me get that using dependency injection first. Once we get that using dependency injection, we have to convert our checkout header DTO to order header and order details. So we will have to do a manual conversion. We will add order header here is equal to new, and we'll have to assign all of the properties from the checkout header DTO to order header. If you want, you can configure the auto mapper here like we have in the other parts of the project, but I'm just gonna do a manual assignment right here. So perfect, we have created the order header here. Some things that you should notice here is order time is the current time, then payment status, we are setting that to false, and the total cart items we have not populated right here. The next thing is to create order details. There can be more than one order details, so we'll have to iterate through each of the detail. So variable detail list in the checkout header DTO dot cart details. So for each of the details that we have, we will create a new order details object, and we will assign the properties just like we did in the header. At this particular moment, we can calculate the total number of items. So what we can do here is we have the order header dot cart total items. We will say plus equal to, and we will start adding the count here. So we will say detail list dot count. Now the order details looks good. We have to add that inside the order header. We have a list which is order details dot add, and we will add the object that we created right here. So with this, our order header and order details have been populated. All that is needed is to save changes in database. So we will use our order repository. In there we have the add order, which expects an order header. So we will pass the object that we created. After this step, the order details will be created inside the database. So our on checkout message received will create an order header and order details in the database. Now the most important part is when will this be actually called? We want to make sure that as soon as there is a message inside our Azure Service Bus, it should call this method if it is a checkout message. So we'll have to do some configuration to do that. Let's do that in the next video.